Alam mo, people think directing is about control. Na ikaw yung boss, ikaw ang nasusunod. But the truth is, being a director is not about control. It's about responsibility. Responsibility sa vision. Responsibility sa team. Responsibility sa outcome, kahit hindi ikaw yung gumagawa ng lahat. At kung iisipin mo, ganun din ang leadership sa totoong buhay. As a director, ikaw ang may hawak ng kwento. Kahit gaano kagaling yung team mo, kung malabo ang vision mo, malabo ang output. Hindi pwedeng bahala na kayo. Kailangan malinaw. Ito ang tone, ito ang emotion, ito ang destination. In life, ganun din. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta kahit gaano ka pa kasipag. Iikot ka lang. Leaders don't just move. Leaders direct. Hindi ikaw ang cameraman, hindi ikaw ang lighting, hindi rin ikaw ang talent. But you bring everything together. That's leadership. Maraming tao gusto maging leader, but they think kailangan nila gawin lahat. Hindi. Your job is to empower the right people. Trust their strengths and guide them to one vision. A good leader doesn't shine alone. He makes everyone shine together. Sa set, may delays, may mali, may pressure, may budget issues. At lahat ng yan, sa'yo babagsak. Kapag nagpanik ka, magpapanik ang buong team. Pero kapag kalmado ka, kahit magulo ang paligid, nagiging stable ang lahat. Leadership is emotional control. Hindi ka pwedeng reactive, kailangan responsive ka. Your energy sets the tone. Always. Ito yung mahirap. Lahat may opinion, lahat may suggestion. But at the end of the day, ikaw ang pipili. At minsan, hindi lahat magiging masaya sa desisyon mo. That's leadership. Hindi ka nandyan para i-please ang lahat. Nandyan ka para gawin kung ano ang tama para sa vision. Leaders are not always liked, but they must be always be clear. Ito yung mahirap. Lahat may opinion. Lahat may suggestion. But at the end of the day, ikaw ang pipili. At minsan, hindi lahat magiging masaya sa decision mo. That's leadership. Hindi ka nandyan para i-please lahat. Nandyan ka para gawin kung ano ang tama para sa vision. Leaders are not always liked, but they must be always be clear. Pag successful ang project, clap for the team. Pag pumalpak, ikaw ang sasalo. Ganun talaga. Because leadership is not about recognition. It's about accountability. You take the blame, you give the spotlight. One verse that really reflects leadership: be on the guard. Stand firm in the faith. Be courageous. Be strong. Do everything in love. That's 1 Corinthians 16 verses 13 to 14. Ang ganda, no? Because leadership is not just about strength. It's also about love. Hindi sapat na magaling ka lang. Kailangan marunong ka ring umintindi. Hindi sapat na strong ka lang. Kailangan marunong ka ring magdala ng tao. Real leadership is courage with compassion. Ang tunay na direktor, hindi lang nagdedirect ng eksena. Naglalabas siya ng best performance sa bawat tao. Minsan, kailangan mo silang i-push. Minsan, kailangan mo silang intindihin. Minsan din, kailangan mo silang i-challenge. Hindi lahat madali. Pero that's how people grow. Leadership is not about managing people, ha? It's about developing them. Tapos na ang shoot, tapos na ang show, lights out. Pero yung impact mo sa team, yun ang maiiwan. kung paano mo sila tinrato, kung paano mo sila pinapaniwala sa sarili nila, at kung paano mo sila pinangungunahan. That's your real legacy. People may forget the project, but they will never forget the leader. So, if you're leading right now, kahit hindi ka direktor, remember this. Hindi mo kailangan ng camera para maging direktor ng buhay mo. All you need is a clear vision, the courage to decide, and the heart to lead people. Because at the end of the day, ikaw ang direktor ng kwento mo. Ikaw rin ang leader ng mga taong kasama mo dito. And always remember, do everything in love. Because the best leaders, hindi lang magaling mag-utos. They inspire people to become better. See you on the next episode.